Hi friends, and today's video is about singing bowl. Welcome to my channel. It's a different video, but there were some questions that I received about singing bowl, and I had this thing in my mind that one day I'll make a video on singing bowl. So this is my first singing bowl, and singing bowl basically is a metal bowl which kind of creates a sound vibration when you like hit it with the stick like this. The stick comes with it, and that vibration or that sound that it makes is apparently good for cleansing your space. It is good for balancing your chakras. It is good for meditation. It is good for your concentration. It is good for your health, your body and energy otherwise. So it is kind of a beneficial thing that you can have at your home. You can order it online. You can find it from a local. I bought it from my local market, but you can order it online. You can find it from the market. Anything from, like, I got it from for some 550 or 600 something. So like, it depends upon where you're buying it, and you can get it from 500, 600 to any amount that you want to buy it for. It comes in different sizes. So there are small singing bowls and there are big singing bowls. There are huge singing bowls. There are some people who use it like different singing bowls for different chakras because they make different sounds, and I don't go into that deep into singing bowls. And I think, and I actually am not a person who gets too much into complications about these things, because I think they are very simple. Their energies, the better you connect with them, the more you believe in that, the more you have faith and trust, and the simple you keep it, the better it is for you. And that is how I keep it. So you can have a singing bowl based upon your choice. So you want a bigger one, you want a smaller one, you want multiple singing bowls, you want one singing bowl. You can start with buying one singing bowl, and you can start cleansing with that. You can use it for your own healing. You can use it for cleansing your space. So you'll just have to play it for the healing, like you hold in your hand and you play it, or you can use it for somebody else's healing. So maybe placing the ball on that person's body, or you can actually just play it, record the music of it, or just play it before the moment you enter your office, your workspace, your home. You can just play it once in every room, just to cleanse the general vibrations or the energy. And it really connects well. It cleanses it. The sound is very nice and beautiful. It gives you a lot of relaxation, and it helps balancing your chakras. So not necessarily you'll have to buy like 7 bowls or 9 bowls for each chakra. You can actually do it with one bowl also, and you don't have to really get into too much complication. Like, I didn't learn it from anybody. I just bought the bowl because I felt attracted to it. I bought a bowl and I saw the videos on YouTube, and when I saw the videos on YouTube, I learned it from that, and it took me like 5 to 7 minutes maybe just to play the singing bowl in the traditional way. Otherwise you can just play it like that. It doesn't even take a minute or a second for that matter. But yes, you can use this. You can actually use this for cleansing your home, like your office space, anything, just meditation, just giving yourself some mental peace and relaxation. Play it and close your eyes and just listen to it. So how do we play it? There are 2 ways you can play it. If you don't want to play it in your hand, there's a cushion that comes. I don't have it, I just play it in my hand, but there's a cushion that comes with it, or otherwise you can place it on that and you can actually play it. But I can't placing here, because then it will move and then the sound will not be clear. So otherwise, if there is a cushion, there is a steady place, it will not move, and then you can play it. Now you can play it just like that, like the way I told you. The stick that comes with it there is one side which is with cushion, the other side is without cushion. This is called the male side, this is called the female side. I think it is because of the sound it makes, because this is a little thicker sound. This is a little more shrieking, or like little more sound like a female sound, and that is why there is a difference. Like, that's why it's called male and female. But when you have to play it in a traditional way, you have to keep it straight in front of your stomach. So preferably in front of your, like, the navel, little above your navel, in front of your ribs. And when you hold the stick, you can hold the stick like this, or you can hold the stick like this. You need to keep your elbow straight, and you don't have to play it with your hand moving like this. It has to be the whole arm moving is how you play it. Okay, so you can just start, and in the beginning you will not you'll not hear any sound, but while you start playing it, you'll start feeling the vibration in your hand, and slowly the sound will also start coming. And you can play it like slow or fast, dependent upon how you like it, how you want to kind of play it. So you can just go like slow like this, or you can go fast like this. So dependent upon which sound you like and what resonates with you mostly, you can play it. So this is how you play a singing bowl. This is from the cushioned side, so this is from the male side. The voice, you'll feel the difference in the sound. So the sound is little different when you do it from here. And if you don't want to waste that time where you are playing it but no sound is coming, you can just play it like this, and it will start from the beginning. So the sound will start from the beginning, and slowly when you play it, the sound keeps increasing. The volume keeps increasing with as long as you play it, the volume will keep increasing. Now let's see from the female side. So when you play it from the female side, so you see the difference in the sound. This is like not as, keep it little away from the mic. So it's little different than that. And otherwise you can just place it anywhere and then you play it like that, and you leave it, the sound remains for a while, and it's a calming sound, it's a nice sound. Now it is completely your choice whether you want to get to a class and learn it through a normal class and like learn it properly, or you want to just like start playing it and see how it resonates with you, connect with it a little more, and then learn it for yourself. So that totally is your choice, and you don't have to really like invest too much in buying a singing bowl. You can just invest like 1,000 rupees and you can get a good singing bowl, and you can just start with that. So that's what I will recommend, because like I said, I don't believe in much complication with learning anything. And start cleansing your space, and just start cleansing your energies with it. You'll start seeing the impact and you'll start seeing the difference. So that's all that I had for today's video. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. You can send me your questions, and if you've not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it, and like the video if you like it. Like, press the like button or share the video with everyone that you can. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.